Welcome to the TDB solution tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to create a table using a spreadsheet step by step, and how to configure the table manually. For this demo, we'll be using an administrator account. And since table creation is only accessible to admin users, make sure you have a spreadsheet ready before uploading it to the system. Alright, let's get started. Go to Admin, then click Tables from the submenu. You'll be redirected to the table list page. From here, click the plus icon to create a new table. Select Upload Spreadsheet, then click Next. You'll be taken to another page where you can upload your file. Select the spreadsheet you want to upload to make a table. You can display it under an existing menu, create a new menu, or select None. If you choose New Menu, simply enter the menu name. Make sure to untick the Upload Data Now checkbox, as we'll upload the data later. Then click Next to validate the file. After the table is created from the spreadsheet, you will be redirected to the table configuration page. This page allows you to manually configure the table and add additional fields if needed. Any field added during configuration will automatically appear in the data entry form, which is used to add new records. This ensures the form matches the table structure. You can also choose which fields to display by dragging and dropping them into the appropriate sections of the screen layout, giving you full control over what appears on the form. Here's the brief explanation for each section. The screen layout allows you to control which fields appear on the data entry form, where active fields are visible to users, hidden fields are not shown on the form, and system fields are automatically generated by the system for tracking purposes. Now that the fields are configured automatically, let's move on to uploading the records. From the table's summary page, click the upload icon in the top right menu and select your file to import. The system only accepts .xlsx or .csv files. Make sure the file matches the columns displayed on your screen. And once everything looks correct, click Import to upload the records. And that's it! We've successfully created a table by uploading a spreadsheet. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.